Market research formula consists of two major parts: quantitative, where we collect all the relevant numbers for our data-driven approach, and qualitative, where we analyze the data in detail. These parts each split into 4 topics. They are revealed in 6 mini-courses, each of which lasts no longer than 40 minutes. You can find coupon codes for all the courses in the bonus section. This is the final course about market research formula, and it covers the final 3 steps. Here, we will talk about icons, screenshots, and features that your app needs to be a leader, and for you to have more sales. We will not only analyze apps that we've selected in a previous stage, but we will investigate the best practices to resolve all the issues you might face. At the end of the course, you will be able to generate an exact app idea that could be done on paper and ready to be created by you, if you have development skills, or it can be implemented by a freelancer. This is one of the most important parts of our journey, so join and let yourself move to another level with this course.